Of civic participation. At first is the good governance. What is good governance? Before we discuss the good governance, I want to tell you something about the governance. What the governance is? Governance is the process of decision making and the process by which decisions are implemented or not implemented. That what is governance? Governance is the process of decision making and the process by which decisions are implemented or not implemented. And what is now good governance? Good governance is the process of measuring the public institutions conduct how the public institution conduct the public affairs and manage public resources and guarantee the realization of human rights in a manner essentially free of abuse and corruption and due regard for the rule of law. That means where the civic participation is societies where the civic participation is an essential part of their lives, there is always good governance, that their governments or the local bodies make such decisions that in which common masses are involved or the civic representatives are involved and their viewpoints are listened and considered and their suggestions are also considered in policy making. These societies do bear good governance. Influence on policies. Civic participation allows citizens to influence government policies. Well-educated and aware and a skilled population could critically analyze government policies and could put forward their suggestions for the development of common masses. That how civic engagement can influence government policies or the other social policies, that because well-educated and skilled and aware population can critically analyze the government policies and put forward better solutions for the common masses. In this point we can influence that among the students who are well-educated rather than common people. If their common people are the most of the population is educated, skilled, they can critically analyze the government policies and could put forward and better suggestions for the betterment of common masses. Engagement of citizens. Civic engagement encourage people to utilize their potentials. All the citizens have different backgrounds, they bear different talents, they have different level of education, status and family background. Civic participation helps the government to have awareness about the problems and priorities of the common people. Empowerment of citizens. In this domain we will discuss that the civic engagement encourages the people to put forward their potentials and capabilities, and the governments who have their cities engaged, they have better knowledge of their citizens. Next is community betterment. Youth are the backbone of a community. They have broad social banks and friendship bank. Youth are the backbone of a community. They have broad social links and friendship bank. So strong societies and communities are more resilient when their youth is more active and well-groomed. Youth develop new business and ideas, hence have a strong participation in any country's economy. Community betterment में we will discuss that when youth for every country or every nation or every society, youth is the backbone of that community and youth have a broad strong links and friendship, much more vast friendship bank, and strong societies and communities who bear are more resilient when their youth is more active and well groomed. Youth develop new business and ideas, and so their youth participation in countries economy. Improvement in physical and mental health. it is a very prominent quote that healthy body have a healthy mind. Civic engagement improves physical and mental health of individual. For example, volunteering in any capacity, that is maybe in a summer camp at hill station with his classmates, or to set a blood camp at a university campus for the blood donation for the victims of earthquake, floods, or a house on fire, or any other disaster in a locality. In any locality, all these activities keeps your youth healthy and physically and mentally, and they are more resilient, and they can act and cope up with unfavorable situations, and they become more healthy with their physical health and mental health. Next one is provision of future leadership. Civic engagement plays a basic role to create future leadership. Civic engagement is a source of creation of new leader for future from youth. People, proper guidance, education, and development of different skills among youth create leadership qualities in youth. Many of them becomes a future leader. All these activities, for example, proper guidance, education, and engagement in different civic activities provides youth or students to a platform so that they can participate in different activities. They can groom their personality and their leadership qualities and their talents in many ways. Also, these civic activities can improve the physical mental health of the students, and many of them become the future leader.